This 1995 Ford Bronco, all reupholstered back to factory new. Take a look at the picture from before. You can see just how ratty and worn out it was. But what we do here at Craft Customs is make steering wheels look new again. And our philosophy is this, that the steering wheel is the most viewed and touched part of any interior. And so if your steering wheel feels old and worn out, then your whole vehicle will feel old and worn out. But once your steering wheel looks and feels brand new again, then the whole vehicle feels new again. So you see that new textured leather that we used on there? It's actually a Porsche leather with the factory baseball stitching on there. That's all hand stitched, every bit of it. And that's what we do at Craft Customs, make them look new again. You can contact us at our website at craftcustoms.com or on any of our social media channels, or give us a call at 214-564-1170, and we look forward to working with you. Again, we do all steering wheels in the world.